Everybody, this is Crane with Modern Communications. Today we are going to be doing a disassembly of an LG Dare in order to replace the LCD module. Obviously you can see this one, the LCD has been broken on it, apparently. Common problem with these phones. I'm going to take out the battery. And I took the liberty of go ahead and removing the screws. There's 6 screws on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go ahead and pop off the back piece. This is not a terribly difficult phone to take apart, but it's not the easiest phone in the world either, so you want to make sure you know what you're doing. Those top screws on the first level are PH00 in my toolkit, very common little small Phillips head. I've actually only done this phone once or twice, so this will be, this is not something I've done a whole lot of. We're primarily a T-Mobile dealer, so I don't see a ton of Verizon repairs come through. But we definitely can do it. It's available through our mail-in service if you are interested. Phone number is 850-210-2546, or you can always email us, crane, crane.walker@gmail.com. We can just pry that all the way around. There's several teeth. This is a small metal pry tool. You'll hear them pop off right as you go. Make sure you hold on to those parts right there. Those are all your buttons for the sides. They're just going to slide right back in when we reassemble the phone, okay? So we're now to the motherboard. We have 1, 2, 3 flex cables that need to be loosened up. I believe all 3 of them pop up. That one pops up. That one pops up. And that one right there. This one's kind of interesting because there's a flex cable and then there's a flex cable on top of it. So this one you actually have to separate at 2 places. Alright, now, using your small pry tool, go ahead and start lifting the motherboard off. You kind of want to just loosen it all the way around. There's a slight bit of adhesive right there for the, I believe it's the earpiece, that sticks to the board, so it'll give you a little bit of resistance up there at the top, but it should peel right off. Now we've separated out the motherboard. We are down to the frame right here in the bottom piece. We're going to go and take off that bottom piece. Once again, small pry tool. Comes right off. Okay. That's the front button facade. That'll come off as well. Now we're going to go ahead and get to the frame right here. Now, interesting thing about this phone, the earpiece and speaker is actually all soldered onto the frame, so you have to remove the whole thing at once. You've got a little piece of cloth right here and adhesive. You're going to want to peel this whole thing off to get it off. Just peel it up on one corner. It should just peel right off. It comes off, usually comes off pretty clean, and set that aside. You're going to want to keep that for the reinstallation. You got one small piece right there that comes up. There we go. Alright, go ahead and finish getting that frame. Once again, small pry tool. They sell the little case opening kits. A lot of times you'll get them with the LCD. Sometimes we carry them in stock as well with the LCDs. We get a lot of phones traded in that we can sell parts out of, so if you ever need anything, you can always email us or give us a call. Alright, you hear this pop, pop, pop. To the other side. This last corner usually gives you a little bit harder time. Oh, that's right, there is a small piece of adhesive right there. It's not a huge deal, but it will make it a little easier if you get it up. Same material is right over there. Alright, let's see if we can get that up without it. Alright, peel that up. going to let us get this corner right there. And as you do it, just use sort of a slow, steady pressure. There's some adhesive for the speaker and the earpiece right there. You can always warm it up too a little bit with a blow dryer. Might make your job a little bit easier. Get the adhesive right off of there. Alright, and we are down to the actual LCD module itself. We're down to pretty much the easiest part. Just using the same pry tool. You want to warm it up a little bit. You don't necessarily have to. I'm not going to do it on this one. Sometimes it'll make it a little bit easier if the adhesive's set tighter. I generally go to each corner, lift up a little, then I go to the sides. Usually the one you're taking out you don't have to be too gentle with. Usually the reason you're taking it out is because it's broken. And use a slow, steady pressure. Should come right off. And we're good to go. We've actually removed the LCD module. Now all we have left on the front is the digitizer right there. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, 850-210-2546. I want to thank JP for holding the video camera today. We'll return with part 2, and we will put the LCD back in and reassemble the phone. Thanks.